In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a smooth running system for selling products on TikTok Shop using eBay as your sourcing platform. This process, often called drop shipping, lets you sell products without having to keep inventory. If you're ready to dive into the world of online retail, stick around for this step-by-step guide. To start, you'll need to open your Chrome browser and create accounts on both eBay and the TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you don't already have accounts, don't worry, the process is straightforward. On eBay, head over to their homepage and look for the Register button. Follow the prompts, entering all necessary information, such as your email address and preferred password. Then repeat a similar process on the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you're set up, you'll have access to two powerful platforms that will support your business venture. The next step is sourcing products from eBay that you want to sell on TikTok Shop. This involves selecting items that you believe will attract customers and generate sales. It's wise to focus on products with consistent demand and appeal. When making your selection, consider factors like shipping times, costs, and seller ratings on eBay. It's always a good idea to purchase one or two items yourself first to ensure quality and reliability. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to list them on TikTok Shop. This step is where your creativity and marketing skills come into play. You'll need to set a markup on your products, which is the difference between what you pay for an item on eBay and what you sell it for on TikTok. In crafting your product descriptions, aim for clarity and persuasion. Highlight the benefits, unique features, and any special offers. Good images are crucial too, as they serve as a visual representation of what you're offering. When orders start rolling in on TikTok Shop, you'll then purchase the ordered items from eBay, ensuring they are shipped directly to your customer. It's important to act promptly. As soon as you receive an order, head to eBay, complete your purchase, and have it shipped to the customer's address, which you've received from your TikTok order details. Always double check the shipping information to avoid any mishaps. Managing order tracking and customer service is the final puzzle piece in this operation. Keep a keen eye on all orders from the moment they are placed until they reach your customer. Communicating tracking details promptly to customers helps maintain transparency and trust. Additionally, be ready to handle any customer service issues that might arise. Whether it's answering questions, addressing concerns, or handling returns, maintaining a high standard of service is key to repeat business and good reviews. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and running your e-commerce business using TikTok Shop and eBay. With dedication and attention to detail, you can carve out a space for yourself in the bustling world of online marketplaces. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.